From Los Angeles, TraderInsight.com presents Dr. Adrian Manz in the war room and at the helm with today's look at stocks and sectors on the radar.
For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and this is Stocks and Sectors on the Radar for Thursday, March 5th, 2009. On Wednesday, Dow Jones Industrials up 150 points to close at 6875.84. We had 2,486 stocks advance, 630 decline, and NYSE total volume of just about 1.8 billion shares. And what a difference a week makes. Now, I spent that week down with the flu. Flu shot, be damned, I had that thing. I got the flu anyways. But look at the market. Market was sick too. So we did a lot of deconstructive price movement over the course of the past week or so. This is certainly deeper than I thought we would get so quickly. I was expecting the move, if you'll recall, down around the 6,500, 6,600 level at some point here. A test of that area I felt was certain, but I would have never thought that it was going to happen as quickly as it did. Same kind of a story on the S&P 500. Everybody today is talking, well, is this it? I got a bunch of emails from people. Is there a bounce? Is this where it's going to end? Until the S&P gets up above 740, 743, somewhere in there, I don't think anything's over with. We got to see if it happens over the next couple days. It'll be a pleasant surprise. I've got a feeling that is not yet in the cards. Also, NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ comp, same kind of a thing. We are up off some lows, not doing quite as poorly as the other indices, but nevertheless also looking pretty bad. Haven't retested as deep of a low, certainly as the Dow Jones Industrials and the S&P 500 have. Now, obviously don't have any stocks to review in terms of things that have happened over the past couple days since we haven't been looking at any of these videos, but I do have a few things on the list. I've got some consumer, I've got healthcare, and I've got energy. I've got one of each for Thursday's trading. So first off, in consumer discretionary, I've got a fastball continuation candidate in Bally Technologies, ticker symbol BYI. This one moves down below $15.30 a share. It's going to represent a violation of the low of this fastball bar. Going to look for trade down around $14.65 in terms of a profit target. Just got to find a decent support and resistance stop first thing in the morning. Again, that's ticker symbol BYI. Next, I've got Haemonetics Corp. This one's in healthcare. This is a 3-2 pitch setup. Trade below 53.04, maybe down to 52.99. Somewhere in there is going to be my signal to look for a short side opportunity on weakness in the healthcare sector in general. If I get it and I get that entry, trade down to about 52.54 is where I'm going to look to pull the plug on the trade. Then finally, I have got Noble Energy. This is in oil and gas, ticker symbol NBL. Trade below $43.21. This one's a switch hitter setup, not quite as pointy of a bottom as I would have liked to have seen prior to the pullback, but nevertheless, trade below 43.20, 43.19, even down that low, is going to have me looking for an opportunity to get into this one with a potential downside move to around $42.20. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Use protective stops on every trade and have a great trading day on Thursday.